Hey there, my name is Trail. Welcome to the Captain Cosplay YouTube channel. John Wick 3 just hit theaters today, so I'm going to show you how to make a bloody John Wick pencil prop. This is going to be a pretty quick and easy build, so I'm going to show you what you're going to need to make it. You will need a plain yellow number 2 pencil, a hot glue gun with hot glue of course, and a dark red spray paint, preferably gloss finish. So, first step, we want to be able to stab someone with this pencil. Not really. This is a prop. Don't do that. So, obviously we need to sharpen it. So just get yourself a pencil sharpener and get to work. Alright, so the next step is to give this pencil some texture. And if you look at the scene in John Wick 2, where we get to see him use the pencil, there's a lot of texture on that pencil. There's blood dripping off and possibly even some solid pieces of bone and other human parts. So to replicate that, we are going to use hot glue. So just kind of start wherever you want and just start stringing it around. The point is just for it to look messy and just get it looking chunky. You don't want it to look uniform at all, because this is supposed to look like something that was left on there after it went in and out of a person. So make sure it looks messy and unplanned. So I think that works. And then once you have your hot glue done, you're going to go outside and paint it with your dark red spray paint. You want to make sure you don't get a primary red like this one, because that's going to obviously look unrealistic. You want something darker that looks close to the color of blood, and you want a gloss finish, because that will help it, that will give the illusion of the paint being wet, and it'll look like it's just recently been pulled out of someone's head. So let's go put that on. So, once you've got that pencil painted, it'll look something like this. And something to keep in mind while you're doing all of this is that you don't want the hot glue or the paint itself to go past about 1/3 of the length of the pencil, because you want to make sure that you still have room to fit your hand around it and still see some of that yellow where the red starts to fade, so that people can tell that what you're holding is in fact a pencil. So once that's all painted, you're going to want to give that, I'd say, at least 2 days to dry, possibly more depending on the weather and humidity, etc. Gloss paint takes a long time to dry, so definitely do this a few days before you're going to need it. But once it does dry, you will have a nice bloody pencil that you can use for a John Wick cosplay, or maybe even just to have for fun. I don't know. So there you go. John Wick pencil. So, if you liked this video, feel free to check out some of my other tutorials. I have a whole bunch of prop and costume videos already up on my channel. I'm also currently in the middle of a project, Sci-Fi Link Armor, so if you'd be interested in seeing that, take a look. I've got some more of those videos coming. And I am also still working on my Cosplay Airsoft project. I should have gameplay for that up sometime soon, so if you're interested in seeing that, maybe hit the subscribe button, and you can know when those videos come out. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.